Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new ransomware called Live Team. This video, though, is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will show you the negative impact of the ransomware and I will give you certain recommendations on how to possibly recover some of your files, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover them. So before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the data without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Live Team ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. And so very soon people realize that they can no longer access their data. This ransomware encrypts the files and damages the files essentially. Then the ransomware tells its victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. On the other hand, paying the ransom, of course, is not a good idea because this does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money without getting your data recovered. So do not pay the ransom. To get rid of this ransomware, I recommend you to use a special software called Cleaner. Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and remove this particular ransomware. You may get Cleaner on the official page combocleaner.com. So download the application, install it, and start researching the system. The software is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. The software will begin scanning, researching and investigating your computer. Please pay careful attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data, even though it does not decrypt the data. So you need to wait some time until the scanning is successfully accomplished by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best way to get your data always protected from further malware or ransomware attacks. So you can request trial to remove this ransomware at no cost for you. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.